What's up, guys? So today we're here at my local state park, Oak Mountain State Park. I'm getting ready to go do King's Chair from the North Trailhead. This is usually like a 3.5 mile hike, but I like to go up there, have some coffee, and chill out. So let's get this thing started. So this is one of the first uphill spots. It's not really too bad, just a little rocky. Just the main issue with this trail that a lot of people have trouble with, but man, this is such a great trail for like right after work, you know, just to get out here and get out in nature for a little bit. So this is one of my favorite parts on this trail. You've got this little rock field here with these massive boulders. So beautiful. right, so we're just over a mile into the trip, about 30 minutes, just over 400 feet of elevation gain. Very moderate hike so far. This is a great one to bring your family on. I'm just trucking through this one real quick. In, 45 minutes later, 630 feet of elevation gain. We're here and it's beautiful. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for us today at King's Chair, Oak Mountain State Park. Be sure to check that out if you're ever in Birmingham. Don't forget to grab you a cup of Baba Java when you get here too. Just get out there and enjoy life, guys. Happy hiking.